Programming a new key fob for your 2003-2005 Lincoln Aviator is a common DIY task that can save you money. These vehicles use a 314 MHz key fob. This overview will introduce how to program it yourself, but remember that while DIY is possible, professional help may be needed for issues, and always confirm compatibility with OEM fobs. Start with preparation. Ensure your Aviator is unlocked, all doors are closed, and you have at least one working key fob. Sit in the driver's seat. To enter programming mode, insert the key into the ignition and turn it to on without starting the engine. Then turn it off and on again. Repeat this cycle 8 times within 10 seconds. The vehicle's horn should chirp, indicating programming mode. Now program the fobs. Within 30 seconds, press any button on the first fob. The horn should chirp again to confirm. Repeat this for additional fobs up to 4 total. If programming fails, restart the process from step 2. To exit programming mode, turn the ignition to off after programming all fobs. Test the functionality by pressing the buttons outside the vehicle to ensure they work properly. For troubleshooting, if you encounter problems, first check the key fob battery or retry the programming sequence. For advanced issues, consider using an OBD2 scanner to clear any error codes. Remember, this guide is informational. Consult a professional if you're unsure.